Going on YouTube, back with another video. About to show y'all how I make my thumbnails. You know what I'm saying? You need to download this app named Canva. That's where I do my thumbnails. And you type in the search bar. I'll show y'all. Feel what I'm saying? Type in search bar, YouTube thumbnails. Then you can pick any thumbnail you want. Feel what I'm saying? Depending on what video you're doing. You know, you got all type of ideas. You're also gonna need to download this app too, called PicsArt, just to remove the background of the picture you're using. So don't worry about that picture, but after you pick a picture and press remove background, you're gonna say remove BG, and after remove, we're gonna go back to Canva. I used a different picture because the other one was tripping, so you're gonna remove that person. And after you save that picture from PicsArt, you're gonna use that picture, add it to this on Canva. As you can see, I'm just doing anything, I'm just freestyling it. And I just came up with revealing my most kept secret. And there you could use any font or title, small or big. You can put a little emoji, just to give it, more impression, I'ma say. And after you're done with all that, you're gonna save it. You can add your stuff on YouTube, but I got YT Studio just to make it a little easier. And put my little thumbnail, go to it, press a little picture, press change. And after you press your picture, press save. Go on YouTube just to confirm it. It should save on there. Yeah, man. Y'all show love the rest of my videos. I'll be back with another banger, feel what I'm saying? Follow my Instagram, follow my TikTok, everything be linked in the description. And let y'all know on the little clothing brand, and yeah.